Approximate distinct count is a function that computes the distinct count. It's much like the distinct count function, but it can only be used if you are using direct query against Azure SQL or Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Instead of using distinct count, it uses the approx count distinct function that is much faster than distinct count, but also less accurate. Therefore, if in your specific calculation you value speed more than precision, then you can use approximate distinct count. Approximate distinct count does not work against any other model. So if you try to use it against a regular import model, it will raise an error. Let's see the result. Here I created two measures, one that computes the distinct count of product key and the other one that computes approximate distinct count of product key. And you see that the result, sliced by year, produces a number that is very close, but the number of products is the correct distinct count, so it's accurate but slower, whereas approximate products is very close, much faster, but less accurate.